When potatoes grow on a plant, they reach different sizes by the time they're harvested. But most people want to buy a bag with a limited range of sizes in. When we grade and pack potatoes at our factory, we take out the very small potatoes first of all. Then we separate out the large and medium potatoes. The medium-sized ones are packed into bags as all-rounders. The large ones are packed into bags of bakers. So, in a bag of all-rounders, you'll have a mix of sizes within a certain range. We can use this to practice some maths. You'll need a 2.5 kilogram bag of potatoes. All-rounders work well for this because they contain a range of different sizes. The potatoes in the pack are our sample. Count them. How many are there in the sample? You'll need a way to sort the potatoes by measuring them. You could use a simple tape measure to measure the circumference around each potato. Or you could use a sliding sizer to measure the diameter of each potato. You can download the sliding spud sizer activity sheet from the Seasonal Spuds website with instructions on how to make one of these. Hold your potato in the middle of the square and slide the slider until it touches it around the widest part. You'll be able to see the measurement where the squares line up. This is the diameter of the potato. You might want to use both methods, sliding sizer and tape measure, and compare the measurements. If you do this, what do you notice about the difference between the diameter and the circumference measurements? Whichever method you use, do the same for each potato from the bag and record the measurement. Then line them up in order of size. This shows us the range of sizes in the sample. The range is the difference between the smallest and the largest potato, so to work it out, you subtract the smaller from the larger. Next, we're going to work out the average size of the potatoes in the pack. Mean, median and mode are three kinds of averages. The mean average is what most people think of as the average. The mean is found by adding all the sizes in the sample, then dividing by the total number of potatoes. The median is the size of the one in the middle of the range when the potatoes are ordered from smallest to largest. If you have an odd number of potatoes, it's the size of the potato in the middle. If you have an even number of potatoes, then it's the number halfway between the two potatoes either side of the middle. The mode is the number that occurs most often in a sample. It's the most common or popular one. If none of the potatoes in your sample are the same size, then there is no mode. So we've worked out the range and averages of our potato sample. Why not see if you can come up with some other maths activities using your potatoes? So, 1 potato divided by 8 equals... Potato wedges!